So guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm with my friend here,
Leroy.
So guys, today we had a program going on over here, and we were giving out, or rather giving back to the streets, and it was only courtesy of I Pray Foundation. So we thank for everybody who participated, for those who helped us, and who made this possible. So for all of that, I want you to know that we are really grateful for all of that. And I want you to know that this is my fellow brother, my friend, and he also goes by the name of Leroy Uncovers, or rather Leroy Vlogs on YouTube. You can check him out, and I think he'll tell you more about today.
Patia ule. Wewe sawa mbele, songeni nyuma kwanza. Haya, songeni nyuma kila mtu. Songa nyuma. Songa nyuma. Ultimo. Haya. Wewe. Shika. Enda. Wewe umepewa tu ni watoto sasa.
Lari t-shirt ungekuwa unapewa kivaa.
Ndio hiyo. Zinaisha. Shika. Chukua ukienda. Shika. Unangania staki mwende nyuma kidogo. Songa nyuma kidogo. Pangeni laini. Pangeni laini. Pangeni laini. Bila pangi laini hapa. Panga laini. Msipande juu. Msipande juu hapo. Wewe. Unaona kizazi Oza. Sosa. Oza. Aina moja chini kiasi. Tuko na ujeshi. Hizi za huko. Shika wa California. Pande yao tu. Pande. Nimerekodi ingine mrefu. Shika. Nani anarudia? Napita hiyo. Aenda. Panga ndio laini, unazipatiwa na hapo. Saidiane wapi? Hiyo ni mingi unapata. Bado. Wewe songa hivi. Wewe babu wewe sio mali wewe ni badala ya watoto. Kuna kitu cha nipeleke. Wewe unamwaga kijiko kwa hizo vitu.
So guys, once again, thank you for all that. We also thank the I Pray Foundation for making this possible, and for that, may you be blessed abundantly. And I must admit that it wasn't that easy, because we had a few challenges. For one, we had to deal with our locals first, and then we went to the other dump site where there were others who were struggling to fit up and have their meals. So the only challenges we faced there was some of them were so chaotic, and as you know, you can't handle a chaotic person the same way he is chaotic. So we had a lot of challenges because we had to deal with them in an easy way, and that could not cause havoc or rather harm to the other people that we were with. So, but all in all, we managed to serve the food as you've seen in the footages, and I can't just get enough of saying thank you, thank you, and thank you, and thank you for all of you for making this possible for it to happen. So to my conclusion, I want you to know that we really appreciate everything. We as Africans, we are from Kenya, and may you be blessed abundantly. So guys, remember, if you're watching my videos for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, comment and share to my videos. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to view my videos, and to my new subscribers, and to be precisely, mostly the most people who made this happen, my fellow Haitian brothers and sisters, I want you to know that I really appreciate your help so much. And I'd love to wish your country a quick and or rather, I wish you to gain your stability soon as a country. I know it has not been easy also for you, and it's never been easy, but I pray that God may comfort you and guide you in these difficult times. And again, thank you so much, guys. Remember, if you're watching my videos, kindly leave me a subscribe and a like. So, and until we meet again, peace out.